I'm really excited about our topic for this month. It's loneliness. It's certainly something every single one of us is starting to have more empathy and hopefully more understanding about. Instead of thinking that the lonely person is the single person.
Neat, because there were a lot of people within family units who were able to be still living all together throughout COVID in isolation, recognizing I'm lonely within my family. I'm lonely within the four walls of this home without certain systems, without certain communities, and maybe just realizing I'm not even connected to my family in ways that I thought I was or in ways that I actually hope to be.
Yeah, because if you went to work and you had a work spouse and COVID hit you and you weren't allowed to leave your house for those 2 years, or you still can't go back to your workforce, you might all of a sudden realize that your loneliness factor in your home was alleviated by your work spouse.
Or your work bestie. Sips of Sanity airs the first week of every month on patreon.com/the Sarlos.